Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send NEAR from Binance to NEAR wallet. Alright, so for this tutorial video, we're going to be sending over from our Binance application to the Here wallet, which is basically a NEAR wallet. So it serves as a NEAR wallet for this tutorial video. You can download other NEAR wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Alright, so simply open up Binance, head to the wallet section at the bottom right. Once there, you're met with the overview where you scroll to your spot or funding account depending on where your NEAR tokens are stored. Now simply click on withdraw once you've located the tokens, and the search bar at the top of the screen, use it to search for NEAR, which is the NEAR coin. Click on NEAR protocol, click on send via crypto network. You're asked to provide an address, and the network is the NEAR protocol network, not the BNB chain. The NEAR protocol, which has a minimum withdrawal amount of 0.6 and a fee of 0.018. Now, to provide your address, minimize and open up the Here wallet, which serves as a NEAR wallet. So click on this, and then where we have add or withdraw, click on this option, and then click on open wallet address. Proceed to copy your wallet address or scan the QR code. Remember, we are receiving on the NEAR protocol network. So minimize and open up Binance from here. Paste the address we had just copied from NEAR, and then enter the amount of NEAR tokens you wish to send, and then hit withdraw. By doing this, you successfully sent your tokens from your Binance application to the NEAR wallet, which is in this tutorial the Here wallet. And all you need to do on this wallet is simply reload, and you'd find your tokens here. So guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.